Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to appear offline in Roblox. So first of all, as far as settings, you want to go up here into settings. From settings, you want to go into privacy and content maturity, so visibility and private servers. So in visibility, what you want to do, show current experience, you set that to no one, and then that way nobody can actually join you in games. Then right here it says share activity updates. If you want to make sure that is unclicked, you want to do that as well. There's also all sorts of things like private servers. You can set that to no one, so nobody can send you to private servers or invites in private servers. Also communications, you can set this so that nobody can send you chats and everything. So that's just to make it so basically nobody can communicate with you on Roblox. But as far as you guys are wondering, these little things right here that says when you are in a game, this is actually not even possible to get rid of. So we do have some other options. If you guys don't want someone to see that you're actually online on like Discord or something, you can set things on those programs. But as far as other option, I would say just get an alt account. If you don't want people to see that you are online and you want to play some Roblox, you're just going to have to get an alt account until they do an update on Roblox. It would be really nice if they did that. We can also try to send some feedback to Roblox support and try to get them to maybe change this and try to set it so we can get this actual offline mode right here so we can be in a game, but it can appear like we're offline. But as far as actually getting rid of that, yes, the truth is, guys, you are not actually able to get rid of that unless you're actually offline. So this is my account. I'm actually offline from that account right there. So yeah, but when you're online or when you're in a game, it's going to show that no matter what. And just being in the app or on the website, when you do that, it's going to have this little blue thing right here. And it's going to show that you're on the website. And if you're in studio, there's a thing that will show that you're in studio as well. So yeah, I would say just use a secondary account if you don't want that to show up. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.